Tesla starts showing how FSD will change lives in Europe. Tesla has launched Europe's first public shuttle service, using full self-driving supervised in the rural Eifelkreis Bitburg-Prüm region of Germany, demonstrating how the technology can restore independence and mobility for people who struggle with limited transport options. Local officials tested the system on narrow country roads and were impressed by FSD's smooth, human-like driving, with some calling the service a game-changer for everyday life in areas that are far from urban centers. Officials see real impact on rural residents. Arsfeld Mayor Johannes Kuhl and District Administrator Andreas Kruppert personally tested the Tesla shuttle service. This allowed them to see just how well FSD navigated winding lanes and rural roads confidently. Kruppert said, "Autonomous driving sounds like science fiction to many, but we simply see here that it works totally well in rural regions too." Kuhl, for his part, also noted that FSD feels like a very experienced driver. The pilot complements the area's citizen bus program, which provides on-demand rides for elderly residents who can no longer drive themselves. Tesla Europe shared a video of a demonstration of the service, highlighting how FSD gives people their freedom back, even in places where public transport is not as prevalent. In the German district of Bitburg-Prüm, we're offering rides WFSD supervised to citizens with no other means of transport, free of charge. This is how FSD will change lives in Europe. Johannes Kuhl just shared a video that shows exactly how Tesla self-driving supervised will improve lives once approved in the EU. What the Ministry for Economic Affairs and Transport says. Rhineland-Palatinate Minister Daniela Schmidt supported the project, praising the collaboration that made this first of its kind in Europe possible. As per the ministry, the rural rollout for the service shows FSD's potential beyond major cities, and it delivers tangible benefits like grocery runs, doctor visits, and social connections for isolated residents. Reliable and flexible mobility is especially vital in rural areas. With the launch of a shuttle service using self-driving vehicles, FSD, supervised by Tesla in the Eifelkreis Bitburg-Prüm, an innovative pilot project is now getting underway that complements local community bus services. It is the first project of its kind in Europe. The result is a real gain for rural mobility, greater accessibility, more flexibility, and tangible benefits for everyday life. A strong signal for innovation, cooperation, and future-oriented mobility beyond urban centers, the ministry wrote in a LinkedIn post. Source: reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at teslarati.